Hey, in this short guide I'm gonna go over our Video AI Studio, which is a tool which allows you to generate videos from images or text. I prepared 4 examples, those 4 images, which we are gonna use to generate videos from. You can find the Video AI tool in the sidebar in the Image Studio and here under Video, and then you can simply select Cling Video. We're gonna start by drag and dropping the image we want to animate here in the reference image field. We can simply drag and drop it here, and then in the prompt we can describe what we want to generate. So in this case we want to say the character turns around and walks away while the camera zooms out. Then we can select the model. In this case let's use the master model, and we can select 5 or 10 seconds. We can keep it at 5 seconds for now so it generates faster, and all we have to do now is click generate. If you don't have an image ready or want to do edits to an image, you can go into the Image Studio, edit or generate, depending on if you either want to generate a whole new image or edit images. In the generate category you can go to generate. You can say, for example, stylized 3D character with an X, and this allows you to first generate an image before you then generate a video if you don't have an image yet. And if you want to edit an image, for example, let's say I want to turn this image into a stylized figurine, we can use a tool like Gemini Edit, and then we can simply drag and drop the image we want to edit in here. Then we can say turn this into a Funko Pop figurine, for example. And now we can simply generate, and this will edit our image and use the prompt as a base. And this generated 4 images which we can now use for the video generations. I'm gonna go ahead and download this image and head back to the Video AI Studio, where I can now simply drag and drop this image into the upload field. I'm gonna do that right here, and I'm gonna say character waves with his hand. I'm gonna click generate. And now let's wait for those 2 videos to be generated, and then I'll show you the result. And we can see both videos have been generated, and we can play them here. And here you see the video which got generated from this image. And here you'll see the video which got generated from that image. And it follows our prompt pretty well. And let's try the other 2 examples we prepared. So we'll open the folder with the images, and let's try this one. Let's go first into Gemini Edit. Let's drag and drop it here because we want to add a character here on the chair. In this case, let's add a mouse on the chair. Let's say, let's add a mouse on the chair. You can also do all kinds of edits here in this tool. You could change the style of the image. You could add and remove objects or characters. Basically anything you can imagine. And let's wait for this edit to be finished, and then let's generate a video from it. And as you can see, it generated 4 variations, and we can now simply pick the one we like best. In my case, let's use this one. We hit download, and then simply drag and drop the image into the Video AI Studio, where we can then input a prompt. In my case, I'll simply use mouse moves over chair while the camera zooms out. We'll click master. You can also adjust the video length settings. In this case, I'll keep it standard, and let's hit generate. And now 2 videos got generated. Let's click play and see what it generated, and that looks pretty good. Let's also check out the other one. Nice. It followed the prompt really closely. As you can see, it has the camera zooming out motion and the mouse moving over the chair, and here as well. And you can find the Video AI Studio inside of the Image Studio under Video. You have tons of other tools you can use for generating, editing videos and images. And I hope you enjoyed the short guide, and if you did, leave a like, and I'll see you soon.